Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie VISH. I'm Vishwanath. In this video I'm going to unbox an earphone from Flipkart SmartBuy Earphone priced at 349 rupees. And before moving on, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification once I release my new video. And let's get started. I have a scissor. Let me unbox. As you can see here, the price is written as 449, but I got on discount and I got for 349. So it's a blue color earphone and model name is E22MP, and let's see what we will get inside. Let's unbox slowly. See. So we will get directly an earphone, and what else we will get? Oh, we will get a small bag for keeping earphones, and we will also get 2 pairs of extra earbuds. So it's a small and large size. Medium is already there in the earphone, and we will also get a quick start user guide. So it's E22MP model. So see the user guide. So we will also have microphone and play pause button. Let's see how the earphone quality will be. Take off this. So let me see the physical overview. You can see it's a silver plated 3.5mm jack. It's not gold plated. And here is a Flipkart brand. And what else? Here is a clip. You can plug this clip to your cloth and you can go for jogging like that. And here you will get play, pause or call disconnect button, and also you will get a microphone. Here you can see the Flipkart SmartBuy brand, and so it's not metallic, it's completely plastic. So at this price they are giving only plastic, and this is okay. It's little bit, earbuds are smoother but not that much, and it's very basic earphones. So if you want to buy a basic earphone, then this is for you. So let me test with my mobile phone. Let me connect to my mobile phone. Let me see how the audio quality will be. Let me listen first. Can you hear? Now it's at full volume, and both your earbuds are at the same microphone. I hope you can listen. Let me change the song and play. Can you hear that? So it's the sound quality. I will do a testing and I will use and I will do a full review. Even you can buy it from Flipkart. So I will give the link in the description of the video. That's it for guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter and like my Facebook page. And thank you.